Welcome to the dawn of a new era in metallurgy. Witness the birth of green steel, where power meets sustainability in this massive and futuristic industrial complex. Here, the traditional landscape of heavy industry is transformed. Look at these emission-free structures, standing tall against the morning sky, symbolizing a much cleaner and greener world. Vast solar arrays harness the power of the sun to fuel our operations. This is where renewable energy meets the heavy demands of modern and industrial steel production. Every panel is a testament to our commitment to the earth. We capture every ray of light to power the heavy machines that build our sustainable future today. At the heart of this innovation stands a name you can trust. Green steel technology is more than a brand. It is a global promise for the environment. Yet our journey begins with the arrival of raw materials. These enclosed conveyor systems stretch for miles, transporting iron ore and hydrogen with maximum efficiency and zero waste. The rhythm of the factory is set by automated intake systems. Precision engineering ensures that every gram of resource is handled with absolute care and total technical control. Advanced laser sensors scan the incoming ore at lightning speed. Every detail of the raw material is analyzed to ensure the highest possible quality for the melting process. Real-time holographic data provides our engineers with instant insights. We monitor chemical purity and physical consistency before the transformation even begins deep inside our powerful electric furnace. Watch the incredible strength of our robotic handlers. But these massive arms move heavy containers with a grace and accuracy that no human could ever match in this environment. The raw elements are now ready for the heat. They move into the processing line under the watchful eyes of our sophisticated and highly intelligent artificial intelligence system. Enter the furnace, where extreme temperatures meet digital precision. This is the melting point where raw iron is reborn into high-performance, sustainable, and eco-friendly green steel today. Molten metal flows like a river of fire through the plant. This liquid sun is the lifeblood of modern construction, glowing with incredible thermal energy and raw power. As the furnace lid seals tight, the transformation intensifies. Sparks fly in a spectacular display of power as we harness clean electricity for the intense melting process here. Step into the calm sanctuary of the control room. Here, every variable is monitored by AI, ensuring the perfect balance of heat, pressure, and time for every batch. Watch our engineers orchestrate the complex symphony of the factory. With a simple touch, they manage the massive energy flows that define our advanced and sustainable steel production process. Detailed heat maps provide a window into the heart of the furnace. We see what the human eye cannot, optimizing every second of the cycle for maximum energy efficiency. Massive electrodes descend, carrying the power needed to crack the atomic bonds of ore. This is the peak of industrial electrical engineering in action within our green facility. The air crackles with high voltage energy as the arc is struck. It is a powerful dance of light and sound that powers our green revolution and materials transformation. Magnetic fields guide the molten flow, ensuring a perfect mixture. Every batch of steel is guaranteed to meet the strictest global requirements for strength, durability, and structural integrity. Behind the scenes, the AI brain calculates millions of data points. It eliminates human error, making our production safer, faster, and much more eco-friendly for the global market. The liquid steel is poured, a waterfall of gold that illuminates the factory floor. This moment represents the pinnacle of human ingenuity and modern industrial might combined together. The ladle moves with robotic precision along its track. It carries the future of our modern cities, moving towards the next stage of its incredible and fiery industrial journey. Witness the scale of our operation, a perfect marriage of heavy machinery and smart technology. This is the future of manufacturing, built specifically for a sustainable world. 10 robotic arms move in a synchronized ballet of steel. They are the frontline workers of the future, operating in conditions too extreme for any human being to endure. Then a robotic gripper locks onto the glowing metal with incredible force. Every movement is calculated to the millimeter to ensure perfect handling and maximum safety during the process. The red-hot billet travels through the automated line. It is being shaped and conditioned, moving closer to its final form with every passing second of this robotic dance. High-pressure presses forge the metal, creating a surge of steam. This is where strength is born, under the immense weight of our advanced and highly powerful industrial machinery. Billowing clouds of steam mark the cooling phase. Our systems use advanced thermodynamics to manage the metal's properties as it begins to solidify and set into its final state. High-speed cameras and robots inspect the geometry of every piece. Any imperfection is detected instantly, ensuring that only the best products move forward in our production line today. Through the cooling tunnel, the vibrant orange glow begins to fade. The metal is toughening, its internal structure locking into a state of ultimate strength and lasting durability. Watch the surface transform into a sleek and industrial gray. This change in color signifies the completion of the primary thermal processing phase of our green steel production. Finished billets slide into place, ready for the next step. The sound of clashing metal is the heartbeat of a world that never stops building for the future. The entire floor is a masterpiece of automation. No human hands touch the product here, ensuring total safety and a level of consistency beyond compare in the industry. Quality control is our highest priority. We use advanced X-ray technology to look deep inside the steel, checking for any hidden defects or microscopic cracks with total accuracy. Ultrasonic probes glide across the surface, listening for the secrets of the metal. We ensure that every inch of our steel is structurally perfect and perfectly sound for use. On the screen, we see the perfect crystalline structure of the alloy. This scientific approach guarantees that our green steel exceeds all international safety and quality standards today. Our factory is designed for the planet. We recycle every drop of water used in our cooling systems, maintaining a perfectly closed-loop environmental cycle for sustainable operation. Hydrogen recovery is key to our zero-emission goal. We capture and reuse gases, ensuring that our process leaves the air as clean as we found it when we started. The final mark of quality is applied by a high-precision robot. This smart label tracks the journey of the steel from the mine to the final global customer. Each coil of steel is a certified green product. Plus, this digital identity ensures transparency and proves our dedication to a sustainable and low-carbon industrial future for all. Our inspection zones are models of cleanliness and order. In this high-tech environment, we prove that heavy industry can be both powerful and incredibly clean for the planet. Rows of perfected steel coils wait for their destination. They are the building blocks of the next generation of skyscrapers, bridges, and sustainable infrastructure projects around the world. Welcome to the smart warehouse of tomorrow. Thousands of tons of steel are organized by AI, ready to be shipped to every corner of the globe with speed. Autonomous vehicles navigate the aisles with silent efficiency. They are the invisible workers that keep the heart of our logistics system beating every single day in this factory. At the shipping dock, our steel begins its global voyage. From here, it will travel across oceans to build the structures of a better and much more sustainable world. As night falls, the factory glows with a futuristic light. Our operations continue around the clock, powered by the clean energy we harvested during the bright morning hours. See the reflection of progress in the still water. We have proven that the needs of industry can coexist with the beauty and purity of our natural world today. Under the vast starry sky, we look toward the future. This mega factory is just the beginning of a worldwide shift towards sustainable and green manufacturing for the coming generations. Green steel is more than just a material. It is the backbone of a sustainable world, and the future is being forged right here, right now, for everyone.